So let's see how that looks like. Oh my god, that's the beautiful win. So guys, you can see in this video guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the Ichimoku Cloud trading strategy, so you can go from being a beginner trader to being a professional trader, because the Ichimoku Cloud is a very powerful indicator guys. It can actually change the way you trade, because it takes a lot of discipline and focus to actually trade the Ichimoku Cloud indicator in your trading strategy. So let's plot it down. And guys, I'll also be testing out the Ichimoku Cloud trading strategy 100 times after we're done with this video guys. So watch the next video, because it's going to be the Ichimoku Cloud trading strategy tested 100 times. I don't know if it's the next video, but I'm going to test it very soon, and I hope you guys watch that video. So let's get the Ichimoku Cloud indicator. You click on this and you look for the Ichimoku So guys, you can see this is the Ichimoku Cloud, and you just click on it and bam, it's on your chart. Let's get straight into this video. So Ichimoku Cloud indicator trading strategy. Let's see how this indicator works, and let's see how we can add in some confluences to make it even better, because you guys know I'm all about taking trades with a good amount of confluences, because the more confluences you have in your trading strategy, then the better it's gonna work guys. So let's get straight. So guys, as you can see, the Ichimoku Cloud indicator actually looks like a huge mess. You can see all this different green, blue, red, green, red lines guys. If a beginner trader should see this, he's probably gonna lose his mind. Like, I saw this at first and I lost my mind. Like, I saw the strategy, I saw this indicator guys, and I just clicked on this export. Like, I took it away guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to use the Ichimoku Cloud. And guys, as you can see, this green line, let me explain guys. So guys, this blue line you can see right here is called the conversion line. It's the conversion line guys, and this one, this line you see right here is the baseline. And this line, these two lines, this is the cloud, which is the Ichimoku Cloud. This is the cloud, and this is the lagging span guys. So this is the lagging span. So guys, we seriously need to understand these lines, because me just telling you the names of this line is not enough reason for you to want to go to place a trade with these lines. You need to understand what roles these different lines plays in the Ichimoku Cloud. So guys, let us start with the conversion line and the baseline. So guys, let's take the lagging span and the cloud out. So guys, right now we are basically left with the two so guys, right now we're actually left with the conversion line and the baseline. So, and what this lines actually means is, like, these lines are actually just two moving averages guys. So these lines are responsible for giving you the entry signals. So these lines are basically just two moving averages, right? So as you can see, they just crossed over themselves. So these are just basically two moving averages, and I think this one is the 9 period, and the red one is actually a 26 period moving average line. So these two lines are responsible for your entries. So guys, these two lines actually calculate their kind of like their averages a little bit differently than the normal moving averages, you guys know. So that's why it's the Ichimoku, of course. So you guys need to know that, because you could plot the same 9 and 26 on this chart and get a totally different movement on the two moving averages line. So because they have kind of a different average movements, all right? So you need to understand that. So guys, before I forget guys, these two lines actually have their own names. So who cares? I don't really care if it's called heaven or hell. I just don't care, because all I do is take the trade, and who cares? But like I said, it's called conversion and lagging and the lagging conversion line, baseline. So guys, as for the lagging span, I really honestly don't use this line, because it's to me it's kind of useless, because if it's just a line trade, it's just a line showing the movement of price in a pushback. I just don't know how to even explain this line because I seriously don't even use it, and I'll be honest with you guys, I really don't use Ichimoku Cloud that much for trading. So that doesn't mean it's going to be useless to you. So at least now you know it's lagging span, and it's just mirroring the price movements, and that's basically it. So let's go back to, let me take that out. I don't want to use that. So let's go back to the cloud. Let's see the cloud. So this is the cloud. So guys, for the cloud, so guys, the Ichimoku Cloud trading strategy is really easy, guys, because one simple rule of thumb is if the price is above the cloud, like you can see the price is clearly above the cloud, then you're looking to take a trade for a buy. All right, and even adding the break and retest of structure, you can see, guys, this is a break and retest of structure, like I said, an engulfing candlestick, and you take a trade. Look at this. Wow, look at this. This is a beautiful trade. So guys, this is one of those confluences I used to talk about in my videos, so you get to understand that okay, you can even use the Ichimoku Cloud. Like looking at this, you can use the Ichimoku Cloud. Like I could take out these two lines and only use the cloud if I want, but you can see it works, guys. But don't take my word for it, guys. Do your own due diligence. Test these things out. I always say test these strategies out. All I do is test it in my own strength and might. You guys can do the same too and test it out, because the more you test things out, the more you get this confidence. The more your RAS in your brain, which is called the reticular activating system, is gonna easily identify these setups for you. So do your own due diligence, guys. I'm just an entertainer. I'm entertaining you guys right now. All right. So guys, back to business. So what the cloud actually does is help you identify the direction of the trend. Like you can see, if the price is in the cloud, like don't take the trade. Like you can see, the price is in the cloud. So I would advise not to take a trade like this. You know, you can see the market is actually ranging, which means price is in the chart. I'm sorry, like the price is in the cloud. All right. So you want to take the trade when price is clearly above the cloud, like this one I pointed out then. So you take a trade like this on the engulfing candlestick, and maybe your stops just below target. I don't know, just trail your stops, or I like to use a fixed stop. I usually take two trades, which is one for a fixed and one for a trailing. So guys, let me show you how to use the Ichimoku Cloud trading strategy, like without my break and retest and all those fancy stuff. So what you do is, once you see the prices above the cloud like this, so once you see the blue conversion line crossing over the red baseline somewhere like this, then you look for a buy. Guys, I don't know if this is coincidence, because this is where I said break and retest, and you buy. So the market actually crossed and the market went up, obviously, right? So guys, the same reason is for a sell, because once you see the Ichimoku Cloud, so once the price is below the Ichimoku Cloud as well, then you can see that the conversion line crossed below the baseline just right here, and you can see if you're going on this trade, which is this, I think it's, so you're looking to get in on a trade on this kind of stick right here. So let's see how that looks like. Oh my god, that's a beautiful win. So guys, you can see that was a win. So the Ichimoku Cloud is really easy and amazing to use, as if you get to understand how to use it. So guys, there's something I want to show you guys. Let's bring this bad boy back, which is this lagging span. Alright, so one thing you have to understand about the lagging span is that it's not entirely useless. Alright, I just said that to see if people are gonna watch to the end, like to this point, so they can get this nuggets for free. Yeah, it's actually free. So as you can see, if the lagging span is with the just close to the price, it means that it's in a weak trend. All right, it means that price is actually, the volatility is weak. All right, but if it's moving away strongly like this, it means it's like the market is moving, having a strong face and a strong movement going on. So I usually like to take trades around these points, because I want to make the most money. That's one thing I like about the lagging span. So guys, like I said, the lagging span is not useless because most people will ignore the lagging span, which is people like me and the people that clicked off this video at the beginning. They will ignore this lagging span because the lagging span is actually useful, not useless. I rephrase my words. So guys, one important thing again is you have to look for you have to look at the Ichimoku Cloud and see what it's doing. Like if the Ichimoku Cloud is actually in a clear, you can clearly see what's happening, like right here. You can clearly see what's happening on this point. So, but if it's really messy like this, then by all means do not take a trade. Instead, in fact, shut down your computer and walk away, because if you trade in this, if you trade at this period, at this point, then you're more likely going to lose. Like, so guys, one thing I want you guys to understand is that the Ichimoku Cloud trading strategy will not work all the time. But adding in confluences like I showed you guys at the beginning of this video, guys, adding in little confluences like this, support, turning resistance, break and retest, practically the same thing. Alright, Ichimoku Cloud crossed, and the Ichimoku Cloud is below price. Like guys, this is break and retest, Ichimoku Cloud, support and resistance, and engulfing candlestick, or even this pin candlestick, guys. Like these are little things you can add to your trades that will actually take your trading from a beginner level to a professional level, guys. Because if you trade like this with discipline and risk management, you're more likely going to make a bang. All right, you're going to make bang on this strategy. I'm not guaranteeing you, but trading like this with risk management, all right, and trading with a clear mindset, like not being emotional, guys, because you might have some losing streaks and winning streaks. So guys, I want you guys to share this video, guys. Share this video. It is very important, guys. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, Quora, Pinterest. Guys, share it to your friends. Just share this video, guys. Subscribe and turn on the notification, guys. It's really important. This video, let's grow this IamXO gang. Let's be a family. All right, so guys, show some love, support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys stay blessed.